Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. I'm glad to meet you all again in this episode of Service Desk Plus Premium. In this video, I'm going to quickly highlight some of the latest enhancements that we have released for various modules across the Service Desk Plus cloud application. Let's jump into it right away. ZIA Sentiment Analysis. This feature predicts the emotional tone of requester's conversation. It analyzes the request conversation to determine whether the emotion expressed is positive, negative, or neutral. It can be enabled by going to Setup, ZIA, and Artificial Intelligence. This helps the technicians to prioritize the request, assess user satisfaction, and to send personalized responses accordingly. The overall satisfaction score is calculated and displayed in the right panel of the request details page. Customized notifications can be sent for the third-party applications as well. Currently, this feature supports MS Teams application. It can be enabled by going to Setup, Automations, Custom Actions, and third-party notifications. Similarly, the content of request and task notification can be customized specifically for MS Teams. For problem module, the layout of analysis and solution can be customized from the problem template. The problem template now supports the addition of sections and fields can be added within it. For release module, you can now track the change freeze information for the changes associated with the release in the release details page itself. The associated release will also be in freeze state until the change freeze schedule is completed. Azure DevOps integration now allows you to create or attach project and work items in a change task, and request. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you all in another one. Cheers.
Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be looking at a few interesting additions to Service Desk Plus on-premises. Considering the recent surge in the adoption of AI, Service Desk Plus can now integrate with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help with lending a hand in summarizing request details and assisting technicians in sending email responses and also suggest solutions to requests that have been logged. In addition to this, ChatGPT also works hand in hand with the built-in AI ZIA to predict approval actions based on user replies. Talking about AI, the ZIA, that's a built-in AI of Service Desk Plus, can now be integrated into your external websites such as your intranet page or your SharePoint page. This externalization offers a flexibility so that users can interact with Service Desk Plus without actually having to get into the application. Another interesting integration that's been made available with Service Desk Plus is the integration with WhatsApp. From the recent version 14.900, Service Desk Plus can now integrate with WhatsApp. With this integration, users will be able to access their ticket information, add a notes to an existing ticket, or also chat with technician. The primary focus of this integration is to break the platform and accessibility barrier, as they will be able to receive notifications within WhatsApp itself. Another interesting addition to Service Desk Plus on-premises is an implementation assistant. This feature asks for a few inputs from you and then drafts up a DIY plan based on which you will be able to implement the product itself. The implementation assistant also goes one step ahead and takes you to the respective page where this configuration needs to be made. Well, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.